As a leading original equipment manufacturer, or OEM, we specialize in the design and production of high-quality, reliable humidity sensor housings. Our expertise lies in our innovative approach and commitment to quality. We understand the critical role that sensor housings play in protecting and optimizing the performance of humidity sensors. That's why we use advanced materials and cutting-edge technology to create housings that meet the highest standards of durability and precision. At HENGKO, we believe in creating solutions that are tailored to our clients' needs. Our team of experienced engineers works closely with each client to understand their requirements and deliver a product that exceeds their expectations. With our products, you can ensure the longevity and accuracy of your humidity sensors, enhancing the efficiency of your operations and the quality of your results. Trust HENGKO, the professional humidity sensor housing OEM manufacturer, to provide you with the best in sensor housing solutions. Thank you for choosing HENGKO. We look forward to serving you.